Shalima is in Tower Hamlets. Shalima, good evening.
Hi, thank you for taking my call.
How can I help?
I have a question about working conditions. So I work in education, I work in a school, and when I took my current job, I had asked for working from home during school holidays. It's not a condition that they wrote down. It's not in my contract that I can work from home during the holidays. But 2 years of my employment came up in September this year. So for the last 2 years, I was working from home during school holidays. And all of a sudden, I was told I can't work from home during the school holidays. But my question is, where do I stand? And do I have anything that I can fall back on in terms of going back to my employer and saying, look, I've been doing it for the last 2 years, working from home.
Yeah, right. Shalima, first of all, when you said you want to work from home during the school holidays, I know you said it's not in the contract, but did they agree with you?
Yeah, they did, and I've been doing it for 2 years.
And do you have anything in writing at all to confirm that?
I may have emails like to say, this holiday I'm working from home. So
sorry, I mean from the time you started. Do you have an email that says, yes, we're going to hire you, Shalima, and you can work from home during the holidays?
No, nothing like that, no.
Okay, so the starting point is that it's unhelpful to a claim. I'll put it no higher than that, but it's unhelpful to a claim that you presumably signed a contract that said you work from school throughout the year. Yeah. Now, that's not fatal to bringing a constructive dismissal claim, because if they're suddenly changing your place of work without good reason, you would have the right to claim constructive dismissal if you've been working for more than 2 years. The problem, Shalima, is that to bring a constructive dismissal claim, you've got to resign. Yeah. So that puts you between a rock and a hard place. Do you do what they say, or do you resign and take them to a tribunal? Would you want to resign, or is that just not an option for you?
No, not an option really to resign.
Okay.
I just wanted to agree for working from home.
I understand. In which case you don't have a legal claim, but it sounds to me this is something a union could help you with. Presumably you're a member of one of the teaching unions.
Yeah, I am.
And have you approached them for help?
No, I actually haven't. I've just been pondering over it for the last couple of months.
So what I would do is speak to your union rep and ask them to help you put in a grievance saying that you joined the job on the basis you'd work from home during the holidays. And maybe, just maybe, the employer will change its mind. The school will change its mind. Yeah. But unless you're going to resign and claim constructive dismissal, and I get you don't want to, you've got no legal claim, I'm afraid, Shalima.